Select your account name and enter the requester details such as name, email, and phone number. Click Choose File to upload your PDF. Enter the signer's details: name, email, and phone number. Click Send for eSignature button and doc will be sent to receiver. The signer will receive an email and will follow the instructions to e-sign. In the document, click on Click Here to Sign button and submit. That's it. Sending a signature request via email in KAiZEN is simple and ensures your documents reach signers quickly and securely.